Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing or missing on your iPhone. So the first step here that we're going to do to fix this problem is by ensuring that you meet the age requirements. So make sure that you're not under 18 so you can have this marketplace on your Facebook. So if you're under 18, so probably it will not show up the marketplace feature on your Facebook application. So make sure that you meet the age requirements. Now, the second solution, well, actually, the marketplace feature on Facebook is not available to all country or region. So make sure that you are located on the correct country or region to have this feature on your application. So you can go to Facebook Marketplace directory and make sure that your country is on this list so you can have that marketplace on your Facebook. Now, the third solution here that we're going to do to fix a problem is by going to your App Store. So go back to the home screen here on your iPhone, and basically, I'm going to close this Facebook, then go to my App Store, and here I'm going to search for the Facebook app. Go to the search box at the top and type Facebook. So if you find an update button shows up here, then you should tap on update so you can get the latest version of your Facebook application. Okay, once done, you need to open your Facebook now. Okay, go back to the Facebook app. And then here you need to tap on the menu icon at the bottom right hand corner of your screen to open up your profile page, as you can see. And then tap on the gear icon, which is the settings at the top right hand corner. And then under the preferences, you need to select the navigation bar. So right here. So then go to customize the bar. So here, when you go to customize your navigation bar, make sure that your marketplace is not hidden. So if your marketplace is hidden, as you can see at the bottom, it will not show up that feature. So what you're going to do is select on the marketplace, and we need to select here from hidden into auto. So as you can see, it will show up now. And then you need to pin that one to make sure that it will be pinned on your Facebook app. So there you go. So that's how you easily access that marketplace on your Facebook. Now, the last solution here, if the problem persists, the last solution that we're going to do is by going to your phone settings. So close all the apps and then go to iPhone settings, scroll down, then click on this general, scroll down, then tap on iPhone storage. In here, you should select the Facebook. Once you tap on the Facebook app, you will find an option that says offload app. So just tap on offload app so you can clean your app here, but it will not erase all your documents and data. And then once done, once you offloaded your app, then you can basically reinstall your app on your iPhone. So that's it. That's how you basically fix the Facebook Marketplace not showing on your iPhone. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.